Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dakota if you are new. Now, before I forget, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I am doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And honestly, we're so close to 500 and I'm super excited just for that. I might have a little special treat for you guys as well. So please just make sure that you are subscribed because that is a way to enter the giveaway. Now, today I am doing a highly requested video. It is my first impressions and a review on the Murillo Twins collection with Beauty Creations Cosmetics, and I'm so excited for you guys to see what I came up with on this eye look, along with like my true thoughts on every piece of this collection, showing you guys some swatches, giving you guys all the deets of this collection. So just stay tuned and I will show you guys everything. So I'm starting off with just foundation and some eyeshadow primer, and I have my brows done because I really want to show you guys all the swatches of the collection, along with, you know, letting you know what it looks like on my skin type so you guys can get like a better feel of like the blending and everything like that and how the colors really work together. But can I just say that this PR Pocket package itself is only $79, and honestly that is such a great deal for how much you're getting in this package. And I'm so happy that I was able to be on the website as soon as it, became available, because I believe it sold out in 4 minutes. That is insane. And I honestly, like, I posted on my social media and everyone was like messaging me like, you need to do a review, you need to do a review. So this is what I'm gonna be doing here for you guys today. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the PR package, but I just wanna let you know, with the PR package, it does come with 3 papers on like the side. And the first that I saw is the stickers. And if you guys saw my other reviews, I tell you, like, I love it when influencers give you stickers. It's just like a little personalized touch for something that you can keep as well. And honestly, the stickers are super cute. Like, what the fuck? Like, if you guys watch them, you know that's everything. Like, they say that shit all the time. So I am just super happy that they included this in their PR package. And then along with it as well, it does come with the prices of each item along with the PR package, and then it comes obviously with their photo. So let's get started into unboxing this. And it is huge. So let me see if I can open this up real quick. So we're gonna start off with the face palette, add some bronzer and some blush. So this is what the face palette looks like. Ooh, it's cute. Fancy, it just looks like such good quality, you know? And then it comes with the protective sleeve over it. And these are the colors. This is the shade MILF, Lit, Goals, and Twinning. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on my face the MILF shade, and then I'll probably go with the Goals blush. So cute. Ooh, that is such like a pretty like light brown shade. I wonder how it would look. Like, I'm kind of scared to go in with a darker one. Let's try the darker one on my forehead real quick. Oh, okay, the dark one's not like super dark. I was thinking, like, you know when you put it on and then if you're like, oh shit, I shouldn't have gone darker. Like, it's always better to start off lighter than go dark, you know? But the darker one, I would have to say, is just like a tad bit like of a darker shade than this brown. Like, it's not like too dark, but I think that's really good. Like, I want to see what it looks like on top. I definitely like the darker brown shade. So I might use the lighter shade to do my nose contour. You know what's really good about this bronzer as well? I feel like even if you go in with like a heavy hand, it wouldn't be like too blotchy or anything like that. You won't have like patches. So I don't think that you really have to worry about that, because I'm a really heavy hander as well, especially when it comes to blush. But I don't think this one you have to worry about, to be honest. You know when you get like a new foundation, new primer, and you put some bronzer on and you're just like, damn, I'm feeling snatched. This is how I'm feeling right now. Like, it looks really, really good on the skin, along with the new foundation that I'm wearing as well too. So I'm gonna be going in with the blush now. And again, we're gonna be using the shade Goals. Ooh, this is pretty. This one I feel like is like more subtle, and it's more like of like a peachy rose color. The other one's like just like a baby pink. But I really, really, really like this blush. I wonder how it's gonna look if I top it with the light pink one. Okay, it just lines it up a little bit, but I'm not mad at this one either. This one's cute. Next up we're gonna do is the eyes, and the twins came out with their own palettes. So we have the Brittany palette, and then we have Brianna's palette. So let's go ahead and show you guys some swatches. So the palette that's really calling out my name is going to be Brittany's palette, just because I really feel like Brianna's palette I can do for a Valentine's look. So keep a lookout for that video, because I definitely want to use that for Valentine's Day, because those colors are screaming like love, beautiful. Like, they're just such pretty like pink colors. And then those glitter swatches on both of the girls' palettes are fucking amazing. Like, when I was doing the swatches, I only did one swatch of the finger and then like put it on my skin, and it was just like creamy and rich. Like, it was just like, you can tell they're going to be very like blendable, like they're not going to be patchy or anything like that. Like, it's such really, really good quality. So I'm so excited to show you guys the eye look that I'm going to come up with. For my transition shade, I am using the shade Let Me Live, and I'm using a Morphe brush as well to blend that out in windshield wiper motions. Next shade I'm using is the shade Hella, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner and outer corner, and then I'm going to connect that together once I'm done packing that color onto my lid. Before I move on to my next shade, I'm just taking that blending brush again and using that shade Let Me Live and blending out that brown color. I am now going over that brown shade with the blue color, and that is the shade Drip. And I'm just putting that on my outer corner and inner corner and connecting that in the middle as well. And now, just to blend everything together, I'm going back in with the dark shade Hella, and I'm using just a small detailed brush just to really just focus more on the outer corner of my eye. With me doing a halo eye look, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and making sure that I have a blank canvas in the middle of my eye. That way when I pack on that blue color, it really stands out and pops. This light blue shade is just stunning. It is the shade Pisces, and I'm just taking that shade and dabbing it into my lid. That way there is no fallout. And now I'm just adding more color to my lid. I'm adding that dark blue shade to my outer and inner corner and blending out that middle light glittery shade.
For my under eye, I'm just going in with the shade Hella and then topping that over with the shade Drip and then blending that with the transition shade that I used before, and that is the shade Let Me Live.
So this is the finished eye look. I'm absolutely obsessed with the light blue shade that's in the middle of my lid. It's so pretty and it applied so easily. And honestly, these palettes are hands down like super good. So if you can get your hands on them, definitely go ahead and purchase them. Now, the only downsides of these palettes for me is that they do not have an inner eye highlight color or also like an eyebrow highlight as well. And I really do like those in palettes, so it's not a big problem. I just use my own highlight palette, but I really do wish that they came out with a highlight with Beauty Creations, and that's my only drawback of these eyeshadow palettes. Now I want to go ahead and finish off this eye look with eyelashes. Now, since we used Brittany's palette, I'm going to use her eyelashes, but I'm going to show you both of the eyelashes themselves because they're absolutely stunning, and the packaging on these eyelashes are just like I've never seen it done before, because usually you just see it like, let me just go ahead and show you guys. So usually you just see the eyelashes like this, and I love that they have their photo on them because that way you're able to see what the lashes look like. Because honestly, like when you're shopping for lashes and you just see the lash itself and they don't have like, the brand doesn't have like a picture of somebody's eye like modeling them, you don't really know how it's gonna look on your eye until you get the eyelash itself. So I think these are just absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use both lashes, but of course we're just gonna be using Brittany's today. So this is what it looks like once the lashes are on. And I absolutely love these lashes. Like when you put them on, you just feel like snatched, like you're that bad bitch. Like I feel like whenever you wear makeup and it just makes you feel like that, you just feel so good. And this makeup is just making me feel that way. So now the last thing with this collection is going to be the lips, and they both came out with their lip sets. And here we have is Brianna's, and then we have Brittany's, and I think I'm going to use Brianna's, and I might use Brittany's gloss. I'm really sorry about the swatches. I am so sad about what the fuck just happened. And let me show you real quick, because as soon as I opened the packaging on Brittany's lip set, I'm really sad. The fucking tip came off. So what do you guys think? I absolutely love this collection. The only downside obviously is that lip liner breaking on me. I really wish they came out with their own highlight as well, that way it can complete the whole face. But I absolutely love this collection, especially with the price that I got it for as well, with everything. 2 pairs of lashes, a bronzer and blush set, along with 2 lip kits and 2 eyeshadow palettes for only $79. That is a fucking steal. And I love how this eye makeup, the whole face came out. I feel snatched, I feel beautiful, and that's exactly how you want to feel when you're buying makeup. So overall, I love this collection, and it's just so stunning. stunning. I love it. And that blue color in the middle, hands down, has to be like my favorite shade out of Brittany's palette. So stay tuned to a Valentine's look using Brianna's palette. I'm excited to show you what I come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.